Have you ever felt a spark where your stomach flips, you get butterflies, you get a rush of feelings, and you cannot wipe that smile from off your face? Well, this is your body telling you that you like someone. So how can you tell when a woman is attracted to you, let alone when she wants you sexually? Well, there are signs that you can look out for so that before you make your move, you are sure that she feels the same way that you do. And you guessed it, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about 14 signs of physical attraction that you need to be looking out for. Don't move, like and subscribe, let's go. She looks at your lips. When she's looking at your lips, it's because she is seriously into you. You might notice that during a conversation, her gaze lowers down towards your mouth. It's not because she is uninterested in the conversation that you guys are having together. It's because she cannot stop thinking about kissing you. So think about it. Lips are how we show our feelings by kissing someone. So of course, it makes sense that she's thinking about you and she's interested and that she's looking at your lips for that kissing reason. She bites her lips. It's a cliche you might have seen in any rom-com. When a woman is imagining taking a man to bed, she's gonna bite her lip. It's a subconscious thing that happens when we are really interested in a guy. So if she starts to bite her lip when she's looking at you, this is a great sign. Make sure to keep an eye out for it, as it can be very quick and easily be missed. She touches you often. Touching can be a great way of keeping a conversation flowing, especially between friends. But if she's touching you a lot, then she might be trying to show you that she is open to something a little bit more. If she touches your shoulder or your upper arm, this is kind of friendly. It kind of melts in well to the conversation. If she goes for those intimate places, for example, a wrist or even the neck, these are places that are very sensitive and show a deeper level of connection. Your boss might touch your shoulder when asking about the report that's due next week, but she wouldn't put her hand on your cheek because that would be a little bit weird, or it will be a fact that she does like you sexually. She sits next to you. You are at a table having coffee and there's lots of free space and she just happens to choose the seat right next to you. It's not because she can only sit on a certain seat at a certain table. Chances are she is seriously interested in you. It's easier to trust you if she is close to you as well, which makes it super simple for her to make her move. This is a classic sign that she has been letting herself get closer to you subconsciously and, well, now physically. She smiles lots. We smile a lot around the people that we have feelings for. It's subconscious. We just cannot wipe that smile off our faces when we meet someone that we are physically attracted to. You might notice that even when you are talking about something that is serious, she starts to smile. This is not her being rude, it's just she really cares what you are talking about, and she is struggling to wipe that smile away from her face. She is so happy just to be around you and to spend her time with you. She might even be smiling because she is thinking about you in a sexual way. She makes eye contact. As she goes up to order you both a drink, she glances back at you. It's a quick, flirty, almost suggestive look, but her eyes are telling you everything. She is physically attracted to you and she wants you. She might also stare straight into your eyes for a long time whilst you guys are talking, and it's as if she's not really breaking away to look around the room. She's fully invested into you and no one else that's around. It's important that you also flash some strong eye contact her way so that she knows that you are interested. She plays with her hair a lot. You might notice that when you are talking to a girl, she starts to flick her hair back and forth or around her fingers like this. Now, of course, it's very cliche and again, something that you would see in a cartoon. But when girls play with their hair, it's a sign of them being flirty. This is something that girls with long hair have been doing for centuries. And you know what? They might not even notice they are doing it. They only do it though when they are physically attracted to a guy, which means she probably does want you sexually. She texts a lot. Whenever you check your phone, is there a message from her waiting for you to read? Morning, afternoon, or even night, she is texting you to see how you are doing. Not in an annoying, clingy way, but more of that she's thinking about you in a nice, kind way. She is clearly very attracted to you if she's taken the time to message you a lot of the time. You might also notice that she starts to be a little bit more flirty and even sexual over text. When she starts doing this, you will know how she feels about you, and then that's your chance to offer a bit of flirting back. She really laughs at your jokes. I mean, really laughs, not a fake chuckle or a small laugh just to keep that conversation going. She laughs every time you say something even remotely funny. You might be thinking to yourself, am I really that funny? You might be, but chances are you are just getting some extra laughs because she really likes you. We find people that we are attracted to a lot funnier than we do for our friends, for example. So if you notice that she is laughing a lot, you know that you can make that move. She dresses up for you. She wears a new dress to the date or just looks like she stepped straight off a catwalk at work or when you guys are hanging out. She is dressing up because she wants to impress you. If she's physically attracted to you, she wants to make sure that you feel the same way about her. So she's trying to attract you by the way she dresses. The best way that you can show her that it's working is to pay her a genuine compliment. She pays you compliments. Whilst we're on the lines of compliments, she will be constantly telling you that you look great or that she loves the colour of that shirt. If she is complimenting you on your looks, then she is clearly physically attracted to you and may even want you sexually. Make sure that you acknowledge that compliment and say thank you. And of course, by taking note of what she compliments you on as well, you know that you can keep doing a whole lot more of whatever it is you were doing that elicited that compliment. She blushes. When you compliment her on something or just say something sweet, she's gonna blush. This is because you have made her feel a certain way inside. You've made her feel special, and it shows her that you might like her in the same way that she likes you. She might even feel a little shy and nervous around you as well because of how she feels about you, so that is another reason a girl might blush. People have told you. Last but not least, your friends, her friends, or even your work colleagues or even a stranger has started to tell you. Maybe you've not actually picked up on how she is acting around you because maybe you haven't wanted to acknowledge it, or maybe you think she's just being incredibly nice. They might just say, you know she likes you, right? And it leaves you baffled. Once someone plants this seed into your head though, you will then start to notice her acting a certain way and boom, that penny is gonna drop. Then you can take her to one side and ask her if she wants to go on a date with you. The physical attraction is probably already there for both of you. There you go, we've reached the end of the video. I really hope this video helped. Leave your comments down below if you feel I've missed something from today's video. And one more thing, if you want to get your name rolling up like these people's names just here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day, like and subscribe. See you soon.